Looking for a comprehensive automation solution? Elite Automation is your perfect partner with accumulated 25+ years of experience. Our team of highly skilled individuals offer a full suite of automation services from design and installation to training and support. Curious about its benefits? Let me break it down for you. Let's start with having simplified project management, streamlining communication, clearly defining responsibilities, and implementing effective tracking mechanisms. We ensure your project stays on course from start to finish. Next is cost reduction. By optimizing processes and eliminating inefficiencies, we help you achieve cost savings throughout your automation journey. Last but certainly not the least is an increase in efficiency. Our solutions are designed to enhance productivity and reduce downtime, maximizing the output of your operations. Book a free consultation now and be elite.